Hi, this is Dr. Shivlila here. Today I'm going to discuss about the bruxism. Bruxism is also known as a clenching of the teeth and teeth grinding. Okay, let's talk about the definition. Definition of the bruxism is grinding of the teeth for non-functional purposes, or it is a nocturnal grinding, and during daytime grinding is known as a bruxomania. Okay, then we go for a etiology of the bruxism. The main etiology we have a sleep disorders and lifestyle of the factors, like we take more coffee content and stressful life, like anxiety, emotional stresses, okay, tension, all these it comes under. And then we have medications like antidepressant tablets and neurological disorders like Parkinson diseases and any seizures in the epilepsy. All these comes under a neurological illness, and some abnormality bites like any occlusal interference or discrepancy in centric relation and or centric occlusion. These also may lead to predisposing to the grinding of the teeth. Okay, and some of the periodontal disorders like pericoronitis or periodontal pains, these also triggers. Okay, now we talk about the effects of the teeth grinding. What all affects to the teeth. Okay, we see the cracked tooth, chipped tooth, and a flattened, worn down tooth. All these occurs due to grinding of the teeth. And then we can see the damage to the teeth, destroy of the gums, it may lose the gums, lose the teeth, and even a gingival bleeding also we can see due to grinding of the teeth at the night time. And also there is a temporomandibular joint pain and masticatory muscles pain. And with this picture we can see clearly the wearing out the occlusal surfaces. Okay, due to bruxism we can see the loss of the enamel part on the occlusal and the incisal edge. Okay, diagnosis of the bruxism, mainly the clinical signs and unusual wear of the occlusal and the incisal edges, the mobility of the teeth, fractured teeth, and even a fractured restoration, and the tooth sensitivity. And with the help of an electromyograph we can check the hypertrophy of the masticatory and the masseter muscles. Okay, let's talk about the treatment for bruxism. Mainly the stress reduce. It is done by either a psychological therapy or by consulting it to the stress counseling. And then avoid all alcohol and caffeine habits, taking all this, and improve your sleeping habit and using the night guards, and even by consulting a doctor by taking the drugs for muscle relaxant and some jaw exercises. I'll show you the picture of the night guard. This is also known as a splint. These are commonly given for the night grindings. Okay, with this help to prevent for the bruxism. Okay, hope the video it might help you. If you like this, please subscribe.